The comments on our last video about gold in your Muay Thai training were incredible. Thanks for joining in. You raised some fascinating points that deserve a deeper discussion. And this isn't a redo of that video. Instead, I want to explore your insights about traditional versus modern training methods because you've highlighted some crucial aspects I think warrants exploring. Think of this as a part 2, but rather than me doing all the talking, we're having a community discussion about how Muay Thai training has evolved. You've shared some brilliant perspectives from the role of poverty as motivation to weight cutting techniques to the impact of different rule sets. Let's break these down together and see what we can all learn from each other's experiences. The biggest takeaway from your comments is this. It's not about dismissing traditional methods or blindly embracing modern ones. It's about understanding why certain approaches worked then, what's still valuable now, and how we can intelligently combine both to create better fighters today. Before we dive in, grab your free Muay Thai Performance Scorecard using the link below. It'll help you understand exactly where your current training sits on the traditional to modern spectrum and show you your biggest opportunities for improvement. Let's tackle 2 challenging comments head on because they raise some important points worth discussing. Original individual questioned my objectivity since I sell Muay Thai S&C programs. Here's the thing. Yes, I make a living helping fighters improve their performance. But think about this. I've been sharing this information freely since 2012, long before I ever sold a program. And that's because I genuinely want to help raise the standard of Muay Thai performance. The reason fighters pay for my programs isn't because I'm selling snake oil. It's because the evidence-based methods work. And they work because they're built on decades of peer-reviewed research and real-world testing with both recreational practitioners and elite fighters. Random account J8Z said, I've blown my credibility using Muay Thai versus Krillo as an example, calling Nico a weight cheat. But this actually perfectly illustrates my point about the evolution of the sport. Using scientific nutrition and weight management protocols that traditional Thai fighters haven't adopted is exactly how you increase your power to weight ratio in a given weight class. It's not cheating to use available knowledge within the rules. That's like saying a Western boxer lost in Muay Thai because his opponent cheated by using elbows. The sport evolves and smart fighters adapt. Khaled Duncanel 3356 made a brilliant observation about how Farang fighters who didn't understand traditional Thai scoring changed the sport by focusing on different forms of dominance. This feeds into what Krubuan 111 added about boxing technique becoming more crucial. Both comments highlight how skill adaptation and athletic performance create winning fighters. When everyone catches up on boxing technique, what separates the best? That's where intelligent physical preparation becomes the difference maker. Just as 423 raised an important point about skill versus S&C. Yes, skill is absolutely number one, but here's what many miss. S&C isn't about replacing skill. It's about maximizing your ability to express that skill under pressure. If you can't maintain your technique in round 5 because you're exhausted or you can't generate enough power to make your opponent respect your strikes, all that technical skill becomes compromised. Joad Mahudi 6603 and Double Mischievous highlighted how these principles apply across different sports and training methods. This cross-pollination of knowledge is exactly what drives evolution in any sport. When you combine small improvements from different areas, whether that's better recovery techniques from endurance sports, power development from athletics, or mental preparation from elite military training, they add up to create significant breakthroughs in performance. Do you really think so? 413 appreciated our evidence-based approach, and that's exactly what we're about. No fluff, just proven methods that work. Maxilium44 made an excellent point about the next frontier being mental performance and breath work. As a long-term Heavy Hitters member, he's experiencing firsthand how total fight performance goes beyond just physical training on that program. This ties perfectly into what we discussed in our video, why your Muay Thai skills disappear when fighting. Fighting excellence isn't just one-dimensional. It's a triangle of mental, physical, and emotional components. Or, as I break it down, your fight IQ, the technical and tactical game, your physical quotient, PQ, your athletic capabilities, your emotional quotient, EQ, your mindset and control under pressure. When Max talks about hypnosis and breathwork showing great results, he's working on that crucial emotional component. Because the truth is, these aren't just fancy words. They're measurable components that will affect each other. Weakness in one topples the others. You can have perfect technique and strategy, fight IQ, and excellent athletic performance, PQ. But if you can't control your breathing and anxiety in round 3, EQ, it all falls apart. This is why traditional Thai training scores a parallel benefit. Those long runs and endless rounds weren't just about physical conditioning. They were building mental fortitude too. If this aspect of fight performance interests you, definitely check out our video, Why Your Muay Thai Skills Disappear When Fighting, after this one. We dive deep into this performance triangle and how to strengthen each component. Speaking of strengthening components, it's exactly why I created the Muay Thai Performance Scorecard. Take the free assessment now using the link below. It'll show you exactly where your current gaps are in your training and give you a clear path forwards. So keep these discussions coming. They're what helps our sport evolve. Whether you agree or disagree, your perspective matters. Just remember, respecting tradition doesn't mean ignoring progress, and more training isn't always better training. Speaking of which, if today's discussion about tradition versus modern approaches resonated with you, you need to watch our video on how much Muay Thai training is really needed. It's eye-opening stuff. We dive into why even top 10 stadium-ranked fighters are burning out by age 21, and why matching traditional Thai training volume might be the worst thing you can do for your progress. You'll hear from legends like Damien Traynor and Liam Harrison about their first-hand experiences in Thailand and learn why blindly copying traditional training volumes is leaving a boneyard of discarded fighters that you never hear about. If you found this discussion valuable, hit subscribe and the notification bell and smash that hype button. We do this every Friday, bringing you the latest in Muay Thai performance enhancement.
Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like, subscribe, and share with someone else it could help too. Please give the podcast a review or comment below. We'd love to hear from you. As always, you can visit Heatrick.com for more Muay Thai performance podcasts, videos, articles, and guides. Catch you next time.